American Caddy Vac. Built in America, built to perform, built to last. American Caddy Vac is the proven leader in air duct truck manufacturing in North America and has been for over 30 years. When it comes to power, quality, and longevity, Caddy Vac is the unit that stands above all the rest. American Caddy Vac is located in Lewiston, Idaho, and we build Caddy Vacs for customers all over the United States and Canada. With a staff of 12 to 15 people, we are equipped to build a Caddy Vac that perfectly fits your needs. The Caddy Vac comes in 10 different models with widths of 7 or 8 feet and a variety of lengths to suit your needs. The Caddy Vac can be mounted on a variety of truck bodies, including International, Durastar, TerraStar, Peterbilt, Hino, Ford F450, and Ford F650. Our staff can help you fit the right Caddy Vac with the right truck body. Typically, each Caddy Vac comes equipped with a Quincy 340 or 370 air compressor, providing enough air for up to 3 crews at a time. Other compressors are available. Every Caddy Vac comes equipped with a very handy insulation bypass chute. The Caddy Vac comes standard with a 45-gallon 300 psi air tank, a storage compartment half shelf, 125 feet of your choice of either 8-inch or 10-inch heavy-duty suction hose, 150 feet of 3/8-inch airline hose, a 9-inch aluminum diamond-plated rear bumper, a tool kit, and an unlimited time of a personalized training program in Lewiston, Idaho. Depending on the size of the unit, the dirt hopper can hold from 1,000 to 1,500 pounds of debris. And American Caddy Vac is proud to announce that we now offer all of our Caddy Vac bodies in stainless steel, including walls, doors, skirts, top and bag doors. This stainless steel option provides for an even longer life for your American Caddy Vac. The Caddy Vac is equipped to clean everything from the ductwork in mobile homes to 12-story buildings and more. With the power Caddy Vac offers, jobs take less time. With our quality of construction, there will be less downtime for repairs. To put it simply, American Caddy Vac is the most profitable unit on the market. To find out more, visit our website at caddyvac.com or give us a call at 800-879-5382. American Caddy Vac. Built in America, built to perform, built to last.